guys, welcome back. Today we're here with another video and we're gonna be making bath bombs. Guess what? We're gonna be doing something really exciting, something to do with the rain. And guess what it is on my Instagram. All you need for this is baking soda, Epsom salt, cornstarch, safety goggles or glasses, whatever you call them, water, tablespoons and teaspoons, for safe colors, citric acid, and a bath bomb mold. Mix all the dry ingredients. You need to put 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So 1 tablespoon. This is my second tablespoon. Now for the teaspoon. Now we need our citric acid and put 1 tablespoon and 2 teaspoons. For cornstarch, you only need to put 2 teaspoons. Now for the Epsom salt, you only need 2 teaspoons. Mix really well with all the dry ingredients. 1/4 teaspoon of safe color. Now time to mix. Guys, this shade looks lavender, but the next step is you have to add water and you have to add 1/4 teaspoon at a time. But make sure when the fizz comes, you mix it real well and fast. I'm gonna add some lavender. Okay, that should be good. It smells like fresh lavender. Okay, I'm gonna put half and half of the mixture on each of the sides. Fill it as much as you can. Okay, that should be good. This smells just so good. Guys, I put it all in here and we have to wait for 3 minutes for it to get ready. So until then, let's make another bath bomb. I have some leftover mix, so I'm gonna put it on the here. And also because I have leftover mix, I'm deciding to make one more, which is multicolored. I added glitter too. Can you guys see the glitter? Okay, now for the blue. Guys, I wonder how this is gonna turn out. To open it. Doesn't it look like a flower? Okay, now I'm gonna go outside and make it fizz. Guys, this is a surprise. I've been collecting rain all day long to fizz the bath bomb. Okay, are you guys ready? Whoa, it's fizzing! Look at that. Whoa, I want to see. Whoa! Look at the water's turning purple. And sort of white. I'm gonna let it be. Go away. Whoa. 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 Guys, it's smelling like lavender. And here's the star shape. This is the next one we're gonna put in. Whoa, look at the star shape. It kind of broke at the end, but it's cool. Guys, I'm gonna put it in. I'm just gonna do this. Ah, the star shape broke. There's so much purple. Whoa, guys, this one is going fast. Look. guys, we are making another one to the indoors. Now make time to make another one. Guys, I'm gonna put my bath bomb in here. Whoa! Oh, it feels so. I feel it. Oh, I feel so satisfying and it looks so satisfying. Look at the color change pink. It kind of went away, but guys, look at this. Guys, that's it for today's video. It was so awesome. I hope you tried this at home. See you guys all next time and bye!